What is a business? Let's understand this in the simplest way possible. A business is not a big office. It is not a logo. It is not even money. At its core, a business is solving a problem for someone and getting paid for it. That's it. Imagine this. You are very good at cooking. Your neighbors are busy and don't have time to cook every day. You cook food for them. They pay you for it. That is a business. Now let's break it down slowly. First, there's a problem. Someone needs something: food, transport, education, repair, convenience. Second, there is a solution. You provide that thing better, faster, or easier than others. Third, there is value. The customer feels, yes, this is worth my money. And finally, there is profit. You earn more than what you spend. When these four things come together: problem, solution, value, and profit, a business is born. A shop is a business. A YouTube channel is a business. A software company is a business. Even a single person freelancing online is a business. The size does not matter. The idea matters. And here is the most important part. A business exists because people trust it. The moment people stop trusting your product or service, the business slowly dies. So remember this. A business is not about selling. It is about helping first and earning as a result. Once you understand this, business becomes very simple and very powerful.